Jodaka e kaunti ma Machakos koro nito wuok oko kendo kwayo joganda go iko mabende kata jotelo mane ochung' ne yore giko ma kaka ikete tema 10 points agenda mago iko mago agenda madito man NADCO mondo mi koro ket maino margi weche giko mago mag somo kane giloso kod jopiny koro nito ne gikwayo jakom mar NADCO Agnezani mondo mi oneni weche giko mago mag somo koro nito nyal jiwo e Pachoka.
Issues of financial autonomy has not yet been achieved, although the president ascended to the law recently. But as it is right now, we have a few things that have not been actualized, and we are hoping that by June this year we'll be able to be fully actualized and implemented.
The leadership of the County Assembly has also decried wastage of public resources. You take note that in the reports by the Auditor General, the executive has had to waste lots of resources in at times unnecessary travels, and this is what robs resources from what should go into development for the benefit of the people of Machakos County.
So as an oversight committee, we've seen the usefulness of going back again to check about laws, legislation, recommendations that have been given, how they are working, so that we can have a mechanism of going back again to the leaders and principles, including various legislation also. As you know, as one of the key recommendations was the broad-based mediation committee. A lot of that legislation needs to be gone through so that it can be enacted, so that we can activate and ensure. We do hope that the work that went into the NADCO report and this 10-point agenda, NADCO report 2023 November and the 10-point agenda, is intended to make a difference for this country, that it will make a difference for this country.